All right, we're here at 3805 Legion Avenue, Legion Lane, here in Los Angeles 90039. Now, we started off by running our camera from a clean-out located, a 4-inch clean-out located here in a little crawl space next to the air conditioning unit, and we're at the property line.
There's also a clean-out where it exits.
There is a clean-out where the pipe exits the house, so we're going to continue our inspection from there. But we're also going to run our camera from an end-of-a-line roof vent. So right now we have our camera in the line, and it looks like there's like standing water ahead, but we'll check that out from the clean-out in the front. So we're at the property line. I'm going to bring the camera back. Now remember, we cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector crawl underneath. The ABS plastic out in the front, this all looks pretty good. Good condition over here. There's the clean-out that we'll continue our inspection from. So now we're going to come underneath the house. Still ABS plastic in good condition. And then it comes to some cast iron pipe over here that looks like it's getting pretty old. Little section of cast iron pipe. This very old, this cast iron pipe over here.
About 15 feet of pipe.
About 15 feet of pipe. Now we're coming towards us, right?
Yes. This is all under the ground.
This is all under the ground, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very old, this cast iron. Then it comes back to ABS plastic, and that's why we're going to run our camera from the roof vent so we could check the rest of the line underneath the house. Let me pause the recording over here. We're going to get up on the roof now. Okay, so what we're doing is running our camera from the roof vent, the end of the line roof vent, and we're at the ABS plastic that we already saw, and as it comes back to the cast iron pipe, you can see this is very old cast iron. We definitely want to recommend that it be replaced. You know, if you run water, that's fine, but the minute you start flushing paper and stuff, you most likely would probably have problems. So that's why we're going to recommend that this all be replaced, the main line underneath the house and the branch lines. No vertical lines, we don't do that. So it's getting pretty old, this cast iron. Plus there's no way to clean this line over here anyway. So coming up the roof vent over here, we'll go ahead and pause the recording, and we're going to go to the front of the house.
Okay, running the camera from the 4-inch clean out here in the front of the house, we reached a point at the property line where there's massive roots. We can't get beyond this point. So what we're going to recommend is the line to be hydrojetted and the camera to be ran to inspect the 6-inch clay lateral from the property line all the way to the city connection, which we have not seen. So we're going to recommend that. You can clearly see the line is blocked. I'm going to pull it back for you and to show you, see the roots in the line. You see? So the line needs to be clean so we can inspect to make sure the pipe's not broken there. Obviously there's roots getting in, so the pipe's compromised, and we located that approximately about 6 feet deep at the property line. And coming back, the rest of it's all ABS plastic pipe. So cast iron pipe's getting very old under the house. ABS that we saw was all in good condition. We're going to recommend the line to be hydrojetted and re-inspected so this inspection can be complete. Here we are in front of the house. There is the clean out. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording here.